By the end of this video, you'll learn how to make $300 every single day online in 2025. And by far, this is the easiest way to make money online. And what I'm about to show you right now will blow your minds like 100%. So make sure you follow along and watch this video to the end, because if you skip, you are going to miss a very important step. So let's get started. All right, guys, so we're going to be using this website called Whop.com. So the link is in the description and you can see the text right here, Whop.com, or you can search it up on Google. It will pop up. And once you click that link, it will take you right here. The skill that I'm about to teach you is called clipping. Clipping is basically taking those long form content for creators and you finding the best moments in those long form content and reposting them as reels or shorts on your fan pages. And these creators pay you through this website called Whoop. So Whoop basically makes it easier for us to receive all the payments from these big creators that have set their big budgets on Whoop. We are going to create an account. So as you can see right here, it says create an account. So you're going to add your email, or you can just continue with your Discord email right here, Twitter, X, or your Apple account. So I'm just going to insert my email right here. So yeah, this email right here, this is the email that I'm going to be using right here. So yeah, boom. Then I click continue right there. Yeah, so they said that they've sent like a code to my email right there. So I'm just going to verify. So once you enter a verification code, it will process and take you to the next page right here. So it will ask you what's your name or how others will see you on Whop. So I'm just going to put like a real name right here, Mark Chisali right here. Make sure you add your real name for like either communication and for self-branding and something like that. So right here, it's going to ask me for my username. So it said you can change it later. So maybe I'll just put maybe Sally, yeah, let's just start it like that, Chisali. Let's see if it's gonna work. Yeah, so as you can see right here, it says choose your profile. So the best method, the best that I really advise is to put your real picture. But if you're not comfortable to show your face, you can add like these avatars right here, So as for me, I'm just going to add, I think, yeah, I like this one right here. So yeah, I'm just going to click save right here. And right here say join your first Whop. So basically, like these are the Whoops, but basically those are those guys that I was talking about, like these guys, Whoop Clips, UGC Factory, Amber Clips. These are the creators, the big creators on Whoop that once you join their Whoop, they'll start paying you if you clip their content, if you repurpose their content, if you edit their long form content and post it on your fan pages and submit, these guys will pay you. So I'm just going to join some random guys right here. So yeah, I'll start with Whop Clips. I'll just join right here. So joined right here. Yeah, I think I'll just join one. Yeah, I'll just join one for just easy explanation. Yeah, so just hit next. And yeah, as you can see, here is my account right here. So you can see right here, there's a zero balance, and you can see that on my homepage, it's showing me this thing right here. So we have successfully created our account. So let's go to the next step. All right, guys. So the next step is finding the best Whops. So I know like some of you guys might be confused, like what are they trying to say? You saying like Whop? So joining the Whops. So there's this Whop, the website, and the category that I'm about to show you right now, like the Whops that I'm talking about right now. If you click on like right here, discover right here, you're going to see right here, people are streaming live. There's just a lot of stuff that's happening right here. So you're going to scroll down and you're going to see content rewards right here. This is what you're going to be focusing on. So if you click on show all, it's going to take you to these, these like on the whole bunch of stuff right here. So these are the Whoops that I'm talking about, right? These are the Whoops. There's this Whoop website, and these are the Whoops. So these Whoops, these are like those guys I was talking about. These are creators. These are companies that want you to clip their content or repurpose or recreate their content in short form, and host them on your fan pages or something like that, and they'll be paying you. So you can check right there. Right here, like they have like the budget, like you can see right here, they're saying faceless content, they're paying like $1.5 per thousand views if you create faceless content for this company. You can see right here, Ambro Clips right here also is paying $3 for clipping his content. He's paying like $3 per thousand views if you clip his content, and his budget is like 29, like almost like 30,000 budget. And so far, like the amount of money that has been paid out is like $8,000, almost like $8,000. So for you to join the best Whops, you just have to see the offers and you have to look at the budget, like how much do they have and like the time left and stuff like that. So you can see right here, like these people have like the huge budgets, and you see like, okay, you still have a chance to clip the content. So let me just join this guy right here, Ambo Clips. So just take Jordan right here. And yeah, I'm just going to wait like for a few seconds, and boom, voila, successfully joined right there. And yeah, so as you can see right here, yeah, this is really, really good right here. This is really, really good right here. So make sure you read the instructions. So once you join a Whop like this, some guys, they ask you for your like Instagram pages, something like that, but some guys, they just allow you to enter anytime you want. Like this guy, just accepted us like right away. So when you join the Whop, you have to make sure you understand what I'm about to show you right now. So we have the home, chat, and learn and play, right? So before you do anything, when you join a Whop, you have to click on learn. So this is like the place where these guys give you an overview of what they really want. Because here's the thing, most of guys been complaining like, yo, I've been submitting my videos, but they keep on rejecting them. And this is the main reason why they reject your videos, because you don't learn, right? These guys, they have like they have like a different taste and different tone of what they really want. So you have to click on learn. And when you click on learn, you're going to find this course. It's just like a small course from these guys. Like they'll just have to teach you everything you need to know. So you can see right here, like server intro, content guidelines, editing guide, right? So you can see right here. So all you have to do is just go through this like few minutes right there. As you can see right here, it's like maybe not more than 20 minutes, yeah, you'll be done by the course. And once you are done, you understand what they really want. So once you're done learning, that's when you can start earning right here. So we'll get into that later, right? So you can also see right here, we also have the chat. This is like the chat where you have the main chat, the general chat, the main chat, best clips at official accounts, whatever. They have like these different categories, right? So this chat is like where it's like a community, all these clippers that are also clipping content for Ambro Clips. Also, like, talk and discuss about all the issues right there. If you have issues, you discuss about the issues right there. So that's it. So, and we have the home, this is like a general, a general space, like just look like now the overview of everything right here. So this is what really happens. So since now we have selected the guy that we're going to be editing clips for, we need to connect our social media accounts to Whop to start earning. You get, so that's in the next step. So let's go to the next step. All right, guys. So this is how you connect your social media accounts on Whop. Before you submit, please make sure you connect those accounts that you'll be posting those content to Whop, right? So all I have to do is click right here on your profile right there. And when you click on your profile right there on general, then you can see right here, connected accounts. So as you can see right here, we don't have any accounts connected yet. And for this video, we are going to connect our Instagram account. So just click right here and they'll ask me for my username right here. So let me just grab my username. And once I grab my username, I just scroll right here and paste it right there. So you can see, so I'm going to connect this account right here. So I'm going to click add right there. So you're just going to wait for like a few seconds. Once you add, please make sure, don't just be like, okay, I'm done. No, this is the next step. After that, you just copy this. You can see restrictions right here. Say copy the verification code, which is this one. This is like a unique verification code for you. And you need to go to your Instagram profile, navigate your bio or description settings, add the verification code, this code right here, add it, and then come back right here and click on verify. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to click on copy right here. This is my Instagram page that I'm trying to connect. And this, mind you, this is not my clipping page. This is just for an example right here. So you just click on edit profile, whether you're using your phone or whatever. Edit profile, then I'm going to navigate the bio right here, and I'm just going to hit space right here and paste this code right here. Once I paste this code right here, I'm going to save, submit, submit right there. This is my Instagram page, So once I'm done, you can see right here. Let me refresh a little bit. You can see it right here. You can see right here, right? I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to Whop now. Since we have added the code into our bio, then you're going to click on verify right here. So yeah, and I'm going to wait just a few seconds, and voila, you can see successfully connected right here. So you can see successfully connected right here. So you can do the same process with YouTube, Twitter, Discord, Telegram, or everything like that when you're trying to connect on Whops. Yeah, and for that, we are done. So let's go to the next step. And just a quick reminder, before you create all these social media accounts, make sure you watch the course first of those guys you're going to keep the content for, because some of these guys, they only want the social media handles to be dedicated to them, like Ambro, lifestyle, Ambro, moments and something like that. So make sure you watch those courses to understand what they really want. Some, they don't even mind about that. They don't care about that. So now that you have gone through the course and you have understood what they really want, and you've created all the accounts and you have done all the warm-up and stuff, and now it's time for you to start editing and start earning right here. So, and once you click on earn right here, you can see like they have like all the assets. So make sure all the videos, you should get them from the assets right here. We have like Instagram, Google Drive, Dropbox, raw footage. You know what I'm saying? Don't just get like the random videos for some guy. Make sure you get these videos from these guys' work and submit it on this guy's Whop. Don't get videos from this Whop and submit it on another Whop. No, it doesn't work that way. Get the videos from this guy's Whop right here, edit them, repurpose them, and it's just simple. As you can see right here, there's like a simple video of someone who edited like this simple video. He just connected like clips right here and just adding like a speed on it and just adding a sound, and he has already made like $55.3, and it's very simple for you to do so right here. And if you're not an advanced video editor, you can use something like CapCut. And once you're done editing and posting it, make sure you copy the link right away and come back to this end section right here, and come back right here and click on submit. All right, guys, so I encountered some audio issues right here, but what I was trying to say is once you are done uploading the video on your page, something like that, right away within 1 hour, you need to copy the link and come back here. And first of all, you need to upload that original video. You need to upload it right here. Then you need to insert your link right there. You need to copy the link and insert it right there. Once you're done, you need to submit it. So that means they'll be able to track your view counts and something like that. So yeah, that means you're good to go. So they'll be paying like $1.5 for every 1,000 views you get. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you want to scale it, like if you want to make passive income on this, just make sure you join as many Whops as you can, and make sure you create as many pages as you can, and make sure you post every single day. Make this as a full-time thing. And if you have like a little bit of capital, you can have people to do that for you. You can hire, like you can build up a team, a team of video editors, and you can just tell them, guys, you pay them like, this amount, certain amount, and they'll edit the videos for you and you just post them. Or you can add another offer, like you tell them upload this, and once you upload, please send me the link, and they'll be doing that for you, and you can be making money while you are doing nothing. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be dropping a lot of content like this. And if you have any question, make sure you comment and I'll be able to reply. If it's something that I need to make a video about, that means I also make a video about it. So thank you guys for sticking around to the end. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.